This is the advanced trellis. View as spark bar, then your spark line, spark area like this. Default spark bar. The same trellis in a horizontal bar like this. This is your trellis too. Then you have graph view here. Your different graphs, bar graph, line graph, area, time series line, Pareto, scatter, radar diagram. Here is your radar diagram like this, like a radar. Then your gauge here. Okay, gauge again internally has 4 parts: dial, vertical bar, horizontal bar. Default is dial. Dial is like a speedometer. Data will be represented like a speedometer of your two-wheeler or your four-wheeler. Unfortunately, the slider is not displayed. You can move the slider values and corresponding graphs will be displayed. But because of Java issue, slider is not being displayed. Then you want only high values or you want low values. This is low values. These are high values. It's a fit to canvas or small size like this. These are small sizes. The medium size. You can also change the colors if you want from here. Threshold values, colors. The default is 0 to 33%. High values, low values. Again the colors change 0 to 33%, 33 to 67, 67 to 100. Okay. Now from here you can change the dial to different option here again. Horizontal bars are there like this. Your vertical bars again. And you have a bulb, the electric bulb. How the bulb looks like. So in bulb, you have the 3D also. Add. Like this your data will be represented. So all the data is between 33 to 67% only of the entire amount. So next, your funnel chart. Funnel chart is basically used for sales information only. Funnel is the only diagram or the graph interface which is used mainly in sales. Okay, let's say your calendar year amount sold and the category sales. Click on the results. OBIEE driver return an error. Could not connect to Oracle database. Go to analysis, subject area, amount sold, and let's say I have category sales. This is basically comparing amount sold with category sales. Okay, you have, let's say you have some actual value and you have some target value. So what is the actual value? What is the target value? Okay, to represent this type of information, you will use your funnel view. So in this you have standard, non-standard, and last stage only. First we'll see the standard. Let's check. Now you see how exactly it is showing you the data. I mean, actual and comparing values, amount sold being compared with category sales. Low values are desirable. Low values. High values are desirable. This is a standard graph. Okay. Now go here and say non-standard. This is non-standard, like a cylinder. And your last stage only, generally, what is the stage? In a sales process, let's say you have the initial stage. Then you have start. Then you have yield. Then you have production. Then the final sale. Something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 stages. So why are these stages? Generally, whenever a sale is done, a sale has some stages. Starting from initial to a final stage where the sale transaction has been completed. So like this, if you want to specify some stage, you'll use the last stage only. Unfortunately, we do not have any data related to stages of a sale here. Therefore, we're just using the default one as last stage only here. But you are able to identify when it is a standard one. Okay, and similarly, we can also compare it with the years. Let's say we'll add calendar years. Click on the results. Got the data for calendar years. Now you add the funnel. See, now you see the data. For the calendar year 2000 only, it is 100%. Right? You go edit it.